Dear student, this is Burhanuddin, Assistant Teacher of English, Daupkande Adarsha Pilot High School. Today I meet you in online classes. Today my classes is prepositions. Look at the word preposition. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word which usually comes before noun, pronoun or anything equivalent to noun. Prepositions a word which usually comes before noun. Do you know noun? How many kinds of noun? There are 5 types of noun. In modern age, noun is 2 kinds. One is countable noun, another is uncountable noun. Pronoun. Pronoun and equivalent to noun. Equivalent to noun means there anything else. It shows its relationship to with another words in a sentences. Here some prepositions with example have been done for you. Look, prepositions at its uses before an exact point of time. Actually, time you can use at. Name of festivals. We know festivals, Eid Day, Christmas Day, etc. And to mean a particular small area, like I lives at Gazipur in Daupkande. Here small area is Gazipur and big area is Daupkande. Look at the examples. He gets up at 5 o'clock. Exact time. Name of festivals. Muslims celebrate at Eid Day. Particular small area. Kamal studies at the corner in this house. Here small area is corner and big area is houses. Then another in. Before you can use before month, years, season, part of the day and to mean a best area, a big cities, country, etc. Look at the example. He was born in 3rd March 1989. Here month, years. Month, March, years, 1989. Part of the day and to mean. The leaves of trees decay in the winter. Winter is a season. We can use here in. Then Jamal lives in Africa. It is a country or it is a subcontinent. Then another prepositions form to denote a period of time. Here the exact time. Look the example. He has been reading a book for an hour. Here an hour. It is not an exact time. It is uncertain period of time. So another example. He is waiting for me. Here is for appropriate prepositions. I will discuss it after prepositions. Introduce your prepositions. Look. 1. On, before, days and date. Uses. Here some example. My father went there on Monday. Monday is day. Then another example. He may come home on 23rd January. So date. The 23 January means date. Then another from. To refer to a past or future point of time. From past to future. Hello, I am from Kumilla to Daudkandi. Somebody wants to come Kumilla to Daudkandi. So you have to use I am from Kumilla to Daudkandi. Another example. Students will be at school from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So future, from past to future. Here 10 past, future 4 p.m. Then 2. The use of 2. Preposition 2 uses movement to some place or thing. Somebody wants to go one place to another, you can use to. Look, he went to Ghazipur yesterday. Then another, Runa wants to meet her friend. To uses two types. One is movement to place or things. Another is to plus verb be one, means verb one. So then, against movement with pressure. Then the rain was beating against the roof. Second example, nowadays some children go against their parents' will. Parents' will. Against. Someone wants to go against his father or mother's wills. Then since. To refer to a past point of time when an action started and the action is still continuous. Means the action begins from the past and still continues. Look, it has been raining since morning. Since morning means now it's morning also, but it start like 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock is still now. It is here you can use since, not other words like for or from. You cannot use here. Then another example. He has been practicing his lessons since evening. Still now he is practice his lesson. So still continue. He start past, but he practicing now. Prepositions. Certain verbs are followed certain prepositions. See the list below. Actually, some verbs bear some prepositions. Avoid by. When you use avoid, you must use by. Agree to, knock at, laughed at, look after, prefer to, addicted to, aim at, arrive at. Compare with, insist on, hide from, suffer from, give up, get on, get down, start for, call on, belong to. Actually, there are lots of prepositions used after verb. Here, I give you some example to understand how to use prepositions after verb. Dear student, here look, certain nouns are followed certain prepositions. See the list below. Noun plus prepositions. Climb, on, blame, for, freedom, from, indifferent to, key to, match for, obedient to, patience for, pride in, victim to, jail for, affection for, attention to, desire for, comparison between. Here, lots of prepositions uses after noun. Look, on, for, from, to. There are lots of prepositions uses here after noun. You can write down this noun and prepositions. Dear student, look, certain adjective are followed certain prepositions in the list below. Accused of, angry with, superior to, injurious to, blessed with, different from, familiar with, liable for, popular with, blind to, eligible for, jealous of, relevant to, content with. Those are adjective plus prepositions. You can write down now this adjective plus prepositions. Dear students, I give you a passage about prepositions. How to fill in the gaps in a passage. Look, choose the correct prepositions from the box and fill in the gaps. There are lots of prepositions are in the box. You have to fill these gaps from the above prepositions. Look, the passage at first. Dear Rohani, Mahir is one dash my best friends. One dash best. This is superlative degree. When is one dash best or superlative degree, you must use here of. So Mahir is one of my best friend. Of. Then our school. So ending of time, ending of place, you must use in our school. So Mahir is one of my best friends in our schools. Then we go school together. So both friends go to school together. To movement towards. So go to. So here is the preposition is to. Then we come home dash school together. Past and past. So here we come home school together. Where are you from? You come from school. So here is the appropriate preposition is you can use here preposition from. So the hello, we come home from school together. Then there lies a good relation dash our two families. To when two families, two persons, you can use between, not, among, or in. So there lies a good relation between our two families. Two families means both friends' family. So between. Between. That's. Then any occasions. Occasions. Any occasions have. You can use on. On any occasions, we invite each other. We share our feelings each other. Feelings. With whom you want to share your feelings. With each other. Here you can use here with each other. I also play whom, Ruhani. Whom, with whom, Ruhani in the afternoon. Afternoon. So here with each other, and I also play with Ruhani in the afternoon. If they look at off, at first we can use here off, then in, we go to, then from, lies between, on, any occasions, we invite each other, we share feelings with each other. I also play with Ruhani. So we have completed this passage using those prepositions. So today I want to complete my preposition chapter. You must practice from your textbook and know how to use prepositions after verb and noun or adjective. So I think this class will be helpful for you. So thank you all of my dear students.